that game, you would only speak when you noticed that I went off the track. So that's
Okay,
that's
YouTube is
cheating
back.
by technicality and
Let
disqualification.
me fix my docs.
That's called commentary.
Commentator disqualification.
Okay, YouTube is fully back now.
I got some Haribos, so
The Apprentice.
YouTube's
Judge
hard to
has
bring back
so
up
much
when
to
I
learn.
crash
you're not
because
wrong.
I can't just
All right.
restart everything like we
Joe?
can with Twitch.
I love the idea of subverting the race with a section that doesn't actually get you where you need to go to win. That's fascinating.
Thanks for the follow.
I thought it was a gimmick.
Appreciate it. Ah, I'm
Yeah.
not sure what I said.
Yeah, I love
Appreciate
that.
it.
That's awesome.
Good. I try.
And what song is that playing in the?
In the underworld, that's the Bullet
Yeah.
Zone.
That's
Small
that's
German folk party.
Yeah,
Got it.
German
I
part is
tried to
important.
make it Halloweeny where I could.
Yeah, that was deadly.
All right.
I like the idea.
Cool. James.
And this is all in your own custom engine, Tim, yeah?
Anyone could take credit for the follow because
Yes,
it's
this is all in my
anonymous.
custom engine.
Theoretically, I know who actually followed though.
Great stuff. It felt like the car controller feels really smooth. I'd
Thank
say if I played it for a long time, I'd be well able for it, you know.
I mean, yeah, I don't think I made the tracks very good for the drifting mechanic, but I think I found something else that it wanted.
Yeah.
it's a game I would really want to play on controller.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah. If you can
But also
control,
having
like,
played
the
it-
speed with the trigger. Or
Yeah.
something.
Having played it, I now really want to play it on controller.
Yeah.
It was very entertaining,
Yeah.
very fun to play.
X to drift is very difficult.
It's so hard.
I'm also just bad at racing, but I feel like a controller would go a long way.
Yeah.
Controller could help.
The fact that Jern got a win while drifting is just
I know.
I'm disappointed in myself.
It's incredibly impressive, and you could never, and that's totally fine. You know, admitting that is half the battle. If you want, I could probably coach you. You got PayPal, right?
I'm gonna be the bigger man here.
Paid coaching, huh?
Awesome.
Sorry, that's a line I use in StarCraft quite a bit whenever I win. Offer them coaching.
All right. James, are you... Wait, sorry, I need to unmute. All right, James, are you ready to present? I will share your screen.
Of course.
All right, lovely. Just a second.
Do you want me to actually show the game or just talk about it?
Oh God.
That is
Oh,
your
God.
decision.
Oh God.
I'll just talk about it.
Okay, I'm gonna.
All
close
right,
it.
cool. You are on screen.
okay.
You have the stage.
So, Hot Pumps is my game,
Hot pumps.
and it's a top-down wave-based survival with a very simple control scheme of left mouse button, right mouse button. I will quickly say that there is no volume control in the game.
I
wanted
noticed.
to add it. Yeah. Oh, you. I was
so
going to give you a
loud.
volume warning.
It's so
Yes.
loud.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
But yeah, it's
Leather shirt. Yeah.
the theme for Halloween should be fairly self-explanatory. It's
very
a game
floral.
about possessing pumpkins, which have a sword, to fight off.
Also the bees too. You
pigeons,
can't really see the
which want
bees.
to
Let me
eat
hide
the
my
pumpkin, and
webcam
you
for a sec.
some reason, even though you're
Look at the
away.
bees over there.
The eggplants I integrated
Look
as
at them go.
literal eggplants that the pigeons will spawn from. These eggplants are laid by an omniscient sea turtle that floats around laying them. The Witch's Cauldron and Mudang are both on the main menu and on the wave complete screen to let you know that you've completed the wave. The pumpkin you possess.
Sure makes
the
sense now.
Returning Monster
True.
Poem, Watermelon Bites,
Yeah, they're getting pollinated.
and German Folk Party have been combined into one audio track. The Having Fun Pretties is the wave complete sound, and the candles are there on the main menu to set the mood. And there is also a usage of the small German folk party sound at the end of the game when you die as well.
Lovely.
That's pretty much it.
Thank you.
Okay.
Well,
I'm excited.
You'll still be unmuted if you want to provide commentary or they have questions. Otherwise, we'll
Excellent.
get to playing.
Cool.
Let me add him. Seeing as this is the last game, oh my word, it's so loud.
I'm so sorry.
What?
What?
But yeah, let's try and get the highest score, pal.
All right, I'm gonna turn the volume on my mixer down just a little bit, so I'm not gonna be able to hear you all as well.
Good idea.
What?
You can hold down the movement
That's
button,
right.
just as a tip.
It's so loud.
Okay.
I'm so sorry. I went full meme with all the sounds as well. So there's just ungodly levels of volume, probably. I wasn't able
Lovely.
to tell, because on my end it was fine, but I thought it might be a bit loud.
Oh, I spawned a new pump.
I can't hear anything from you guys. But...
It's the intended experience, John.
yeah, I'm just too busy to kick ass. Just
How did the game get that? I guess the background
I love the sounds.
isn't mastered the same.
How do I get out of the pumpkin when I'm in the pumpkin?
Is there background music? I
The
haven't
only
actually played the
way to
game,
lose your
but assuming there's
pumpkin is
background
to
music,
have
it would be
pigeons
different
visit.
than
So if you want a new pump,
everything else
You
we
have to-
used. So I guess it would be mastered differently.
I see.
doesn't matter, right?
I have to sacrifice the pumpkin for the greater good.
yeah, a bit of risk reward.
Heck, there's an edge.
Yeah, the void. You cannot cross into the void.
Yeah, avoid the void.
Oh God.
That was a last minute addition to make sure that you don't lose track of where your other pumps are.
It looks like they can spawn outside in the void as well.
Yeah, they
Makes
can.
sense because you know they're pigeons.
Chaotic pigeons.
Are the pigeons so cute? Yeah. The entire
Oh,
art
yeah,
in
there's
this
a
game
cooldown.
is
Okay.
great. I love the art.
Yes.
The fact there's the
attack has
alert
a cooldown.
exclamation mark before they
It's
peck,
good.
and then
I
the
just
little
wasn't
peck
expecting it
animation.
First.
Okay.
Oh no, I was
I-
still
I
alive.
think it helped balance out.
So when your pumpkin goes away, you return to flame form and can go and find another pump.
Oh yeah, I'm
Picking up
destroying. I'm gonna have the highest score. I'm sorry.
First playthrough, I got 90 points.
I'm on 120 and haven't stopped my first playthrough.
Yeah, well, I feel like maybe.
Can you
that's
resin
what
this
you
one?
think is
Honestly,
going
same,
on,
yeah.
but-
Jern, if you
I wouldn't be
if
mad
you
if this
need
one
some
wins
tips,
because it's
like,
great.
I've got
Oh, yeah.
time.
And it's
Um,
also a
throw
Godot
back
game, I
again.
think.
Yeah, I've got.
So it's the
actually,
two Godot
I have time
games.
If you want to just like
Let's see.
throw me like some money.
If I
for
lose
anywhere.
again, I'm gonna have the second curse
It's
though,
too loud. I
I
can't
got
even
you.
hear the
because I
trash
got
talk.
second last time.
Rip.
I barely lost last Dev or Die. I got the audience
So,
vote, but
I
I
can hear you very
got
well,
second for both
But I'm gonna
judges.
ask a question.
Okay.
Is there
So tallied
is
together,
this
that
unending or is
meant
there
one of the
no
other
limit?
contestants ended up
It
beating me.
is endless, yeah. I was
It is-
going to add a boss,
Okay, you win this?
but I wasn't able
Thank
to.
you.
Okay.
Ran out of time.
It's different judges this time, so I don't know how they're gonna vote.
I love the use of the sounds.
They
though.
seem to really like
The
mine.
poem just going on and on and on.
So
Yeah.
satisfying.
It's endless.
That was
If you get second, you can spend to say you improved because you beat 2 people as opposed
If
to
I
one
can get,
last
like,
time.
7
True.
of them in a row and they all just get really mad.
Yeah. Oh my word. Audio pool size could probably be reduced 50 million.
I'm so sorry.
I don't want to kill more than one at a time because my ears. My ears.
Oh, there's
Ears
audio
are-
stacking
Ears
issues.
so much.
You know, just gonna.
Okay, what happened there is he put a
embracing the
death
Halloween
sound
spirit
or
of,
some sort of sound.
nightmare.
What?
on every pigeon, or triggered it every time he hit,
It's so tactical
which
in a way that I
makes it so that it
wasn't
plays multiple
expecting.
times, and then it ends up amplifying
Yeah.
the sound.
When you said 2 buttons, I was like, okay. Yeah. But now, yeah. Brilliant.
Oh yeah, with the sounds they're given. Oh yeah, because they all sound pretty bad. Especially the watermelon. I'm not sure where the watermelon is. Imagine the watermelon is
Got
the
a pigeon in this. Did you ever see
the pigeon
Animaniacs?
death sound.
No, I didn't.
Gasping.
But I
Probably
was
can't hear it,
gonna
though.
add a mega pigeon, but I again stuck on the drawing
Mega
board.
person.
Reminds
To
me
be
of
fair, you had 12 hours.
Brilliant. All of the games are not something I would say are possible for 12 hours. I didn't know better.
Yeah.
Incredible.
It's even worse than 12 hours because at the top of every hour, I would annoy them and
Yeah.
have them add new things to their games.
I
From
quite enjoyed
sounds
that
to
addition.
objects. Yeah.
12 hours with
That was
annoyances.
great. This is the shortest game jam I've ever done, and one
I'm
of my
happy you
favorites.
enjoyed it.
Yeah, it was great fun.
Hey, Jaren, what's your score real quick?
300?
300? Okay, yeah, that's... I like that for you.
1v1 me! 1v1 me now! My mouse is dying. There's too much dust in the click. One of my mouse buttons actually doesn't work, so I have to keep switching between function call, if you know while loop, and then statement, and it's,
All right. I think one playthrough is what I need for everything I need to know about this. Also, I want to hear things again.
I'm so sorry.
No. I'm giving you crap, but it's fine.
No, it's
Um,
valid crap. Yeah.
The animations are adorable. The movement styles is, as I said before, it's tactical in a way that I wouldn't have expected because each little input has a cooldown.
Yeah.
And it's such a noticeable cooldown.
West Rider, how you doing?
Yeah, I wanted to make it somewhat strategy
There's
based
no volume
in terms
controls,
of
guys.
the combat.
We are talking, yeah, but no, not a clue.
They're not gonna let us judge again for this ever, Jern.
No, it's all
We will
right.
provide sample code next year.
Oh,
Y'all
God.
are doing great.
Yeah.
Maybe enforce a mandatory volume slider.
Oh,
Oh, did it
Oh,
disconnect
wow.
again?
No, you got me.
Is my stream still up? Because I don't know why it's buffering. Oh, I'm up? Okay.
Oh, that was close.
Twitch is being weird then?
The void is.
What a god. Are there an infinite
Oh, the
number of
mainstream
pumpkins to
dead.
spawn into as long as you can get close to one, or is there a finite
Okay,
number?
so it's not me this time, it's
There's a
Justin's
finite
stream.
number, but you get a new one at the end of every wave. And there is, I didn't find a good way of representing this, but the pumpkins
Okay, it's
technically
back.
do get stronger as time goes on.
Ah,
Like the ones that spawn in,
Oh,
or
The
never
ones
mind.
that spawn, yeah.
Okay,
I think they get more health, and that might have been the only thing I was able to add.
they have
90
health.
layers of audio.
Possibly, they might
I
not.
can't even tell
actually.
them because I'm muted.
It felt like getting hit once was enough, but there's also a lot of enemies
Yeah.
at a lot of times. So
The-
that
I
makes me
think
Oh, it ended.
Oh,
It's every 3 waves the pumpkin health upgrades, so I'm uncertain if I managed to actually implement that correctly because I didn't test it.
Oh, okay.
Fal,
Oh, he's offline on Discord.
How
No,
much
we
scores do
don't
you
need to
have if
talk.
you could
We don't need to
shout
talk
that?
about it. We don't need to talk about it. You're doing great. Keep going.
I just have to beat. Oh, let's get to 69.
Oh no, is the stream died? Oh, Justin's stream's dead.
Oh, it is dead. Oh, no, come back.
Oh no.
Is everyone? Is he in the video call?
I don't think so.
I
Oh,
can't hear
he-
anything.
His PC may have gone down.
676.
Oh no.
Oh, that is unfortunate.
Justin's stream went down, and we're not sure if he's in the call anymore.
Ooh.
He's
You
having
guys have
tech issues.
Can you guys see the mouse?
Oh, that's so cool. I love that.
So cool, right? Ooh. Ooh. It's so quiet now, yeah. Infinity Mirror, yeah. Ah, the cursor swarm! Scully! Oh, that's so cool, actually.
Is Evan online? Evan's not online.
Why? He do 19-bit. That was a cool game. That
Yeah,
was
he's
a lot of
offline
fun.
everywhere. So
I could have
yeah, he's
kept
definitely
playing
having
that
issues.
for a long, long time, but my mouse
You
is so
enjoyed
low
it.
on power.
We go to
and
Irish John.
there's Actually, a piece of leaf, yeah, because
Everyone wins.
orienteering, and
Oh, he has pre-rolls.
leaves went in underneath my mouse button.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Because of
Yeah,
that,
yeah.
there was 3.5 frames that I couldn't right click, but I accommodated that by having an extra 300 APMs, which is
Oh,
actually
yeah,
it's
yeah,
per
yeah.
minute, by the way, in case you're all
Yeah.
wondering there, Father. Yeah, of Ethan, yeah, of Ethan.
In case
Um,
you're wondering, oh yeah, because Valerie doesn't know what actions per minute are.
Yeah, probably not.
Yeah.
But you know,
You
just play like.
informing me.
Oh,
What is he doing?
Oh,
Oh,
where's
Lord.
the Infinity
Sharon,
Mirror
why?
thing gone? Oh, it's having fun. who submitted the Infinity
Oh.
Mirror?
Justin's back.
Completely died. Is anyone able to hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I can
yeah,
hear
Oh,
yeah.
I'm
Yeah.
muted. You won't
Can
hear
you
me.
hear us though?
I can hear you, yes. My OBS is attempting to reconnect. What if I just do this?
It's a nice mic arm. Isn't it?
Failed to
cover up
connect
with
to
that.
server.
oh.
Load thing. It's
Does it restart OBS? I don't know why it doesn't want me to stream.
Good old OBS.
Opportune timing.
Yeah.
We're almost done. Why?
so close.
Ah!
It's always the way.
Failed to connect to server. Hostname not found. Make sure you entered a valid streaming server and your internet connection is working. I mean, surely I couldn't be on Video Ninja if it wasn't working. Hey,
No, you're
I
actually
agree with
offline.
this is all in my
Or just
head.
The pigment. Yeah.
Yeah, you're speaking to us telepathically.
Out.
Yeah.
Explains so much.
He seems a bit echoey.
Justin,
Let me see
wake
if I
up.
can fix that.
Wake up.
Wake up. Wake up.
It's definitely from Video Ninja. Because if I mute it, then there's no sound at all.
Nice day for it. Sound.
So this could be useful time for Irish John and I to convene
Yeah.
Yeah.
while you're going through your
Sorting my
your-
technical
your-
difficulties.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you want to discuss amongst each other how you want to rank them,
Okay.
I will. What if, assuming I can get my stream back up? Otherwise, maybe Evan can host. I don't know if Evan's here.
Do what?
Go live.
You want me to have your stream key?
That's what I heard.
No,
What? Oh, you want me to go live on my page?
I don't know. I don't know how to solve this. Otherwise, I guess I can. Yeah, because where do we put the poll? Because there needs to be a poll for viewer voted as well. I guess I could still put it in my stream, but I'm not even live. I don't know why
Yeah.
it's not letting me.
Like, you're the
Unless
poll in
they're on
Jaren's
anyone
stream.
else's stream that's still hosting this right now. They're not gonna be able to hear anything, or they're not gonna know what's up.
Yeah.
Are all of the contestants, if that's the phrasing we're using, are they all live streaming right now? Everyone's still live?
I
I
believe
am.
so. Yes.
Okay.
It would be a bit unfair to have it in anyone's chat, but I guess everyone can send. But still, still. That's why we need like a neutral party to host the.
Yeah.
Golem.
I mean, I
guess
can
we
do
could
it. I feel like it'd make more sense if I went live just on your page, though. Just sharing my screen. Or you don't. Okay, if you don't trust me, that's fine.
I think it's a great idea.
To be honest, I don't even know where my stream key is because I haven't
Don't
looked
give
at that
your
in a
stream
long
key to
time.
anybody ever. Is
No,
the
no.
rule I'd heard.
No, pass it around.
He's too eager.
All right. Well,
Maybe
you need
if-
to make it so I can see everybody's video in Video Ninja because I just see you. All I have is your face. I don't know how you want to do this.
He's gone.
Yep.
He's gone. Or
Let
he's
them know
deep
that-
thought.
He is.
Let them
he's
know my idea
Mirror's
about
back.
making Irish John Games the poll maker.
All right. I think it's a good idea to let y'all figure out what to do with the viewer stuff.
Yeah.
Um.
Same time next week.
Yeah. Same time next week. Yeah.
Hoping.
Jern, how are we? Do we want to go into like a separate call or something real quick and just kind of go over what we see and what our opinions are?
Sure, we can mute in this thing and do a Discord call or something.
That's perfect. Let me microphone.
Oh,
What?
there you go. Okay, I probably should not watch his stream because they're gonna be chatting about Oh, okay. Tim and Ayunemo are saying they're here in live. Let's go visit someone. Who should we invade? Let's invade James.
Damn. Do you know, it is astounding how much like we've all done in 12 hours. I'm astonished. It's so funny because I remember doing a game jam some time ago.
What emotes does he have?
the
Oh, wait,
thing we
there's-
can't discuss
that's a lot of
in this
bees.
chat. At university, don't discuss educational institutions in the chat. And that was a week-long game jam.
Let me update my text.
Hello, Atagon. Hello. But yeah, like the week-long game jam, I think most of us, including myself, didn't come close to making anything like anyone's made today, or did over the past 2 days. Unfortunate that happened right at the end, yeah. Yeah, it's really unfortunate. Waiting to find out what's gonna happen. Yeah, it's currently 9:30 p.m. here, and I've not eaten. But I'm actually doing alright. I got Jaffa cakes, so I'm all good. You must be starving. I'm actually not starving. I think I've gone past the point of starving, and reached the bliss that comes beyond the starving stage. You know what we could do while we're waiting? We could play the game that I made. We could play everyone's games, although I'd have to download them. That would probably ruin my internet, because the uploading didn't go very well with that. We could just listen to the audio. Man, I knew I should have lowered the volume more than I did.
It's a lot of volume.
Oh, it looks like Justin's coming back, actually. Hold on.
Oh, Justin's back?
The stream is on a be right back screen.
Ooh, okay. Hey, he fixed it.
Oh. It's Halloween. Spooky sounds very loud indeed. Don't you abandon us again? I'm not going to abandon you. Oh, my music's dead. There we go. Hot pumps, everyone.
Hot pumps. Yes. It's a great sound effect.
I really did go full meme, huh?
Okay, let me fix my text
Anyway,
again.
how are we all doing? Are we all doing all right? Have we enjoyed this weekend of streams? I hope so. I got to stream tomorrow as well, so we're still streaming tomorrow, usual time.
Baby Hippo. Yeah, we were
Making
forced to add that into the
entertaining
game,
and nonsense. New
so
emote.
everyone has that in their
Coming
games. I have it on the TikTok screen over on the left.
I need to make sure I go and follow everyone as well. After this, because I haven't got around to doing that just yet. No, I can do it now, I guess. I could do it now. Although I'd like to be in their streams when I do it. But
Oh
it's
boy.
funny knowing that.
Am I going to get a follower
other people
notification in a
It is
second?
funny. It is funny. They can still hear me. I've muted myself. How is that not muted? Sorry, can everyone
Oh.
still hear me?
I can hear James if Kirsty's talking about me. Because I have his
Oh,
stream
no, you're
open.
good? Yeah, I'd be surprised if they could. I've muted myself. I made
I'm
sure,
directly watching the stream, that's why I can hear
even
him.
when it said I'd been muted,
Hello?
I would still mute
Yeah,
myself
I
to
can
talk to
hear
you
it.
guys
Hello?
because I just,
Oh.
I don't
doubly.
hear anything.
Here, let me mute that.
Why don't I hear anything? I should be able to hear
Now there's
stuff.
somebody in
I can hear you.
Video Ninja.
Whoever that is.
Hey, this is Justin. I was able to reconnect, but I think you're the director.
How do I give it to you now?
I'm not sure because I don't have the
I just,
director view.
doubly.
Oh,
Wait, is James's stream down? James, no.
I don't have anything different. I don't think I'm the director.
There's no way it
Maybe
just went
someone
down.
else is now. Does anyone have like a different view? And is anyone able to see everyone? Or
Not
is this
me.
just completely broken now?
I don't see shit.
Yeah, not me.
No. Okay.
Nobody else can respond, I don't think.
We don't really need anything. We just need to do the final vote. And oh no, James's PC just bricked. Why does everything go wrong at the very last minute?
Should we just all hop on Discord and be on what's it
Yeah, we can just do
John's
this on
stream?
Discord, maybe.
I think I'm
have the
cursed.
Never Die, voice channel.
I'm just
Maybe
cursed.
jump in there.
My
Never
my
got
PC is
started.
being well, not my
Me-
PC.
me
My
and Fab are
Ethernet.
still deliberating.
My Ethernet has been
Just another couple
breaking,
minutes.
and now it's spread to everybody else
When
in the
you're ready, just
competition.
Awesome.
And
Thank you.
I'm gonna also for
It multiplied and got passed
chat
along.
Stream, John. Tell them that the vote's going on in my channel. So I'm just gonna post the vote now. It'll be a 10-minute vote to
Okay.
rank the game's chat vote. All right. Otherwise, join in the general. Thank you.
Thank you.
Wait, I didn't hear what happened. Did anybody else hear what he just said? Everyone is dying? Yeah, I'm cursed or something. Everybody I look at, my Ethernet has been acting up the entire day, and now everyone I would look at, their stream crashes. So they'll be in for a few more minutes. Okay. I see your Arinema, Evan, Justin, and Tim in a voice channel. I guess I can join that. Okay, I joined their voice channel. It's you. Nobody tell anyone else. We keep the information about the crashing virus contained in the stream. Oh, I'm going to give you guys. I'm going to let you guys hear the Discord. Great work on your game, by the way. Thank you. James is also great. I wouldn't be mad if James' game wins, because the graphics are phenomenal. My name sounds like curse. I get it. Yeah. Application audio. Oh, browser. I want to swap this to be Discord. And hopefully you can hear. Is it good? Oh yeah, the stream's still.
James is here.
There's a James.
Oh no, stream's back. Okay.
Hey, James.
You guys can hear Discord, right? Or should I turn it up a bit?
Camera broken or something? Why can't
It looks like it might be a bit quiet. You
Hello.
can turn that up.
My PC bricked as you
There we
came
go.
back, Justin.
I assume volume should be good. I haven't actually tested it because I haven't made Discord. I haven't
Are
added
you
Discord
on
to
your
stream
PC
in a
now,
while.
Or...
I'm back on the PC now. It
Oh,
just-
I know how to spell that.
Okay. Whatever. At least I'm on the screen. I don't know how to
Okay.
get everyone else on the screen anymore. We're just gonna do it scuffed. I think I have them still. I can at least get Irish John if he doesn't leave the video thing
Mm.
on the screen.
Oh, ads. Nice.
James, is yours
And ads
is
right
your
there.
computer back up? Are you able?
Yeah,
to
it's back
stream?
up.
Because I
It-
was waiting on the poll.
No.
vote until
Yeah,
Instantly
I'm
just
spreads
back
the
live,
information.
and everything's working again.
Awesome.
wait, why can't I hear anyone now? Oh no.
Testing.
Voice.
And you can
now I
emote.
can hear y'all. Now I can hear you.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hey, what did you say, James? Sorry, I didn't hear you.
Yeah, I'm back up and running. Everything's fine now.
Okay, great. So everyone's good to go. I can post the poll for the vote.
Yeah,
Yeah,
go
we're
for
getting
it.
ready to vote, guys.
All right, cool.
Vote time.
Sorry, what was that? I
Posting
wasn't paying
Okay.
attention.
Oh, I
Anyone
just
who's
posted
in
the
my
poll.
chat.
10 minutes. Vote for.
Go to this channel.
I'm gonna put the
Right here.
10 minutes.
I linked it 5 times. Go to
Oh,
that
we
channel.
can go
There's a
with money.
poll in the chat over in the
Yeah.
top.
Make sure I
Over
get
here.
deliberating.
And then you can vote for the winner of the competition
But there's time.
out of these 4.
Wait, why do all of these come with this?
Yeah, you might want to undo this poll and redo it. Don't let people vote
No,
with channel.
channel points is fine for this. This doesn't determine the winner. This is just one of the many.
They'll-
Falnier and John both have, and you can't direct.
I know
them,
they
right?
both have a say too, but that
It's not.
If
a
anyone
say,
wants to
it's the
vote, go
right
to that link. You can
choice.
vote for whichever one of the 4 games you like the most.
So there's weighted.
I don't know what that's supposed to mean, how that changes that people can pay on this one, but okay. I feel like that's a little weird.
I mean, it's how every other poll was run, and I believe it's
Yeah,
how
but
it's
the other
run in
polls
last-
are
in the last as well. The
not
last
for
Deborah died,
ranking somebody.
for the second. Deborah
It
died.
doesn't feel good to hit it with. Jeez. That's my feedback. It's your game show. Yep. I would agree, Redbox.
Redbox. Not channel points.
Yeah, it's a bit odd. How it sort of means that if someone's got a lot of channel points, they can sort of pile it into one winner.
Thank you, Christy Arts. Appreciate that. I did my best. I don't think it was my best creation, but it was all
Pretty
right.
good for 12 hours.
Decent for 12 hours. I ran into
The
a
games are
lot of
good for
issues with
12
my
hours.
tools that
James getting a bunch of votes.
it was a headache actually.
I think this one was a lot better than your last ever die too.
Do you?
Yeah, I like this game better than your first
I
ever
mean,
die
how are
game.
you supposed to make a game as good as this?
I like
with
the
Unity?
twist.
Yeah, the twist was a good thing. I found like half an hour before the ending.
Mm.
I was like, well, it's not going to be good in this way, so maybe we can make it funny in a different way, and stumbled upon that. It also made possession come out a whole lot more.
Mm. Where were the car portals?
The win was a car portal that took you to the next level.
Okay,
Ah, right.
gotcha.
So I went.
Well, you just
I was
said
trying to
any
get more
portal that
obvious
works
at
with the
that
car,
point.
right?
Say what?
You just said any portal that works with the car counts as the car
Yeah.
portal, right?
Hmm.
Yeah. I was really hoping you guys would put a car portal in there too.
I put a portal in mine, but
I did see that. I had the issue where your game was not letting me
turning
turn.
slowly. Yeah,
Yeah.
I have no idea what's going on there.
I had that as well. It's strange that only Irish John was able to.
Hmm.
Yeah, that is
Yeah,
odd.
McGorley, voting is currently happening. You can see the vote right here. Or at least the audience vote.
I you probably did this intentionally. You did this
Yeah, you can vote, and
intentionally.
you can also spend
Make
channel
them feel
points
special
to
and give you
get
a
bonus
higher rating.
votes. So you can spend all your channel
Come on,
points
Gio.
on Justin Stream
I think
to
I would
vote
have
for
liked
your favorite
for
person.
Felinair to have
Hey
experienced
Charles,
the
get your
game
points.
as desired as well.
Might as well use them.
Yeah, maybe, but then it would have been too obvious.
Mm.
Hey, might as well use them.
It's a very long poll.
There. Oh.
The gun's popping off.
Yeah.
Sorry, guys. I have an entry.
Jeez.
Sorry, guys.
What
sorry.
the hell was that?
All right then.
Why would
On
you
my
do
screen
that?
As well,
So
again,
loud.
Irish.
Sorry?
As long as you don't, Irish. As long as you don't leave the video ninja, I'm able to put your video on screen. So don't leave that.
I'm closing it. Closing
No,
it right now.
What?
Closing it.
Nah.
I'm leaving. I'm
Nah.
leaving. Yeah.
All right.
Narv.
So the vote's currently going on for the.
Thank you, Big
chat,
Orly. Knew I could
ranking,
count on you.
And then we need your and.
Yeah,
by
vote
the way,
for-
you
vote
know
for
you have
anybody except for me.
different rankings, right? You don't determine the same. You don't have one.
I'm sorry,
Did
what?
What?
Did you talk to get the same ranking? Is that what happened?
Affirmative.
I
So
see.
we were supposed to have our own ones.
Yeah.
Ah, right. The primary judge, Falanair, never told me that. So
Yeah.
I, as the
Alan,
apprentice
you're mislead
judge,
you.
Yeah,
no.
yeah. So I really let go of my duties on that one, and instead decided to steer it in.
Similar ranking.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
He and I have very similar opinions on
Okay.
on how this
basically
played
the-
out.
Hopefully
we're-
last
we are one
Ethernet
and the same,
disconnection.
Basically,
Yeah.
on this
Sure.
particular issue in particular.
As co-judges typically are, we're very in sync with each other.
Yeah,
Mhm.
unless we're in
You've
trouble.
sounded so in sync all night.
Unless we're in trouble on something, yeah, I'd like to take back my position as supreme judge of the. No problem there either.
What emotes can I
Yeah.
do?
Yeah. No, you're forgiven, Fal.
Hold on, you can't forgive me if I'm the supreme judge. That's my
Yeah,
job
no,
to
I'm
do.
taking back that position because
The odd-
obviously you were wrong about something, and now the baton has been passed back. I guess is the
The audacity.
audacity is great.
Oh man, it might not be PG, guys.
What isn't?
This is a
Pretty much.
PG-13 stream actually, so we're allowed 10 curses for every person.
Oh, can I go first?
Yeah.
That's not no.
Oh no.
Just gonna shotgun them all out.
Fire truck, butts, fire truck.
Fire truck. Huh?
Yeah, that's right.
Fire trucks work.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Taking the fun out of it for me, I'm afraid.
I'm sorry.
putting the fire in it.
Irish John is doing this.
So for the people that participated, I'm still not sure if I'm supposed to call you contestants or participants.
Yes, they're contestants. Participants
Contestants.
both work. Yeah. They
How
fought
do
to the
y'all
death.
feel?
The fourth place person, I'm
Fire.
actually throwing into a pit of fire. That's the die part. I know.
I was gonna ask.
Yeah.
How does it feel?
How do you
so
feel
tired.
about how everything's going so far?
I have to wait until I see what happens with the results here.
I mean, I've had a great time. This has been brilliant.
It's been lots of fun, but I don't think I can do another one of these for a while.
That's fair. I
It's,
can't do
uh,
another one for a while either. So
It's intense.
But next weekend.
Tomorrow?
No,
I could do
not next
tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
It is so hard to make a game in 12 hours when you're getting a new item or thing to put in every hour.
Mhm.
Yeah.
I do feel like the second
that's
day
crazy.
was easier because it was sounds and sound effects mostly.
Yeah.
Yeah. You have to keep the scope extremely small.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
At any point, did you feel like you needed to come up with an idea but leave some things open about it so you could slot something in that got voted?
Absolutely.
No.
My zombies, the red zombie people in my game were
Yeah.
just capsules for the first like 10 hours, and I was like, okay, we're not getting any objects that are going to be what these are, so I'm just gonna make them zombies.
Gotcha.
I just tried to squeeze in the next item wherever it would fit.
That's the way I went. I wish I would have left space.
Mm.
Sounds like such a good plan.
Pro strats. Oh, James Barrow won the chat vote.
Oh.
Congrats.
Hell yeah.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
That's so many votes.
Oh, they just needed one more.
Pete Gorley, you let us down.
Oh man.
All right, Justin, what are we looking at?
I just put down the scores. I'm so depending on the ranking, you get a different amount of points.
Need
That's
more
how
points, yeah.
the score system
Okay.
works. Yeah. So if you guys both want to give the ranking of the contestants, then I'll write down their scores, and yeah, then we'll
So
have
we
a
need
winner.
them in relative order as well.
I need.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ideally, you go from 4 to 1. For,
Okay.
For,
That's why you see about the channel
Get that
channel
right
points
there.
for the last
First place.
poll, because where is it? They might change it so it's not like
So
that
last
the next
place
time.
first?
yeah, it's more interesting.
Mhm.
Okay.
The suspense.
Yeah. And you can talk a little about the game as well as why you ranked it. That's up to you, I guess.
Okay.
Yeah. Irish John Games, go ahead, lead the charge.
Right. So, first off, all of you who participated, like, we found it very difficult to figure out who was going to be first. We did agree that we kind of agreed on the last two, or the bottom two, being very, very similar in where they would be, but because everything was so close, yeah. So bottom was, I think, Atacon, Val, wasn't it?
This is your ranking, not mine.
Separate
Oh, right,
rankings
okay.
now.
Yeah, this is your
My
ranking.
rankings. Okay, right.
So you put Adagon bottom. Okay.
4, yeah.
Okay.
Very close to 3. Okay, Val, you're fourth now, is it? Or do I
Oh,
get
we're
through?
doing this.
That way.
We're doing this together.
Yeah,
or
let's
we're just gonna
alternate.
watch?
Let's
Yeah.
let's alternate. Who's your
Yeah.
fourth?
Okay, yeah, sure. I've also got Adagon in fourth place.
Okay.
I think the game is very fun. It takes several playthroughs to really understand what's happening, and partly that's because you need to possess each individual thing to understand how it works. It is addictive when you get past that, but you kind of have to get past I have to understand how this game, like on a fundamental level, works. and understand that these are not giving fourth place is not this is the worst game I've ever played. It's just relative to everything else in the pool.
Yeah.
You
I-
all
I-
did
It
amazing.
was a great
Yeah,
game.
yeah, I did enjoy it.
Also, I had an addendum to that as well. I got the best laugh out of your game as well. The troll where the pumpkin couldn't move, and then the eggplant couldn't move. Those were the two funniest things of the jam. I felt very funny.
Yeah, he brought that up when we were deliberating. He was like, that was the best one I've had the entire thing.
Yeah. That was even like there was no trolls that funny in any of the other jams this year either. Like that legitimately gave me a good hearty laugh.
All right, go ahead. Third place.
Third place, Mr. John. Irish.
In third place, I have Tim Badette. It was class. It was very impressive that it's in a custom engine, especially. It was very good. It was very close to Attic and Dev in where I placed it as well. I was confused a lot of the time, and it was a racing game, so personal preference comes in there as well.
I'm gonna guess James won.
No, it was really nicely put together.
There's no way James does not win here.
I wish I could have. I wish it was a bit more forgiving in terms of like falling off and stuff like that. I get that was like
Yeah, placement's
you know,
unfortunate.
Part parcel like about
I mean, the
whole,
fact you have to do multiple playthroughs to go through it,
Halloween
sort of because it's an arcade
theme and
game.
all of that
But
kind of cracking it tied into how you actually win the game, which was
I'm not the
pretty cool.
judges.
But yeah, it's a difficult one to rate. I really enjoyed it though, but it's just the other two were better for me. Hate this, by the way. Hate this.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, it's rough.
This is super rough.
I hope James wins.
All right, Fal, third place.
Yeah, so third place, I also have Tim. It felt like a really good racing game that had like a Halloween skin thrown on top of it. And I didn't realize that there was it may have said it on the text on the screen and I just wasn't catching on to it. But the possession part didn't track for me that's what the lower floor was doing. It felt like a punishment for falling off the track for the main part. And that's the subversion of it, which I really, really like, but it didn't come across that subversion was happening. Genuinely, I want to pick that game up with a controller and just
Yeah,
go
I tried to
to
ease
town.
into it a bit more with
the controls for
the control
car
scene on the screen
were
as well.
so
But I guess it didn't help as much as I thought it would.
that I can't get the full experience out of a keyboard. And I would pay money to have that experience with a controller. I just want to drive around in the car for a while.
Yeah. it's good.
It felt good to play. The drifting was super hard, but that just may be part of the learning curve for it. And I was blown away when Jern told me that it was built in a custom engine. I didn't realize that was game recognizes game. I didn't realize that's what you were about. That's awesome. So thank you for making that. All right, Jern.
Okay, 2 from me
Mm-hmm.
is, and I've been rethinking what we were talking about a lot.
Okay.
Because they were so close in my head, I kind of want to go with. I know what you've chosen,
Yeah,
I wanna change
know,
what I
you know where my
said.
head's at. Yeah.
so that it's more 50-50 as well.
Okay.
But I'm
Yeah,
thinking
just-
like,
Also, I should mention if there's
Yeah.
a tie, I'm gonna be a tiebreaker judge. I already put my rankings down as well. Just in
Okay.
case.
gotcha. But yeah, I've been considering it, just to kind of throw a spanner in the works as well for the excitement factor. But I don't know if that's fair, so I think I'll stick with what I said. So second is, I mean, we should just do first, right? Because then second is, but like, yeah.
Yeah, you can do first. Just go
yeah?
first. What's your first? Yeah, and then say
First.
the second is obvious, right? So say
Okay.
first.
My winner is. Oh, well, we should talk about both games though first, right? Fuck.
You can talk.
You are
no, just say the
squeezing the
winner,
ad
then talk
revenue out
about the
of
games.
this.
Okay, just talk.
Okay, right. Well,
Say
as
say
you know,
the winner,
guys,
then talk about the games.
okay.
Mr.
I
John.
just want to go by the way that voting has been done ever since, back when it was invented by the Greeks back in year
We don't like the Greeks here.
203 BC.
They killed
And,
people probably. We shouldn't.
Basically,
We shouldn't
what
follow
they
the
did was
Greeks.
they had a level playing field marker, and they would put that in the ground, and then they would have the gladiators run around that marker, and whoever was faster then would become second place, so as to balance out the voting system with that particular vote in particular. No, right, sorry.
Are you milking ads right now? Is there an ad?
Yeah,
playing?
100%.
Oh,
That's
we
what's
could do
happening.
ads. Yeah, let's do an
Yeah.
ad.
Run an ad break real quick while you do this.
Do it. No, I'm not going to do an ad. No, yeah. So both the two top games, Ionema and James, they were both like really complete feeling games. They were very, they were quite well polished. I felt, especially James's one. The artwork was incredible.
Definitely.
The way that you had a tell before an attack came, stuff like that was kind of missed in the other games, I felt. And Ionema's game as well was incredible, like top down stuff. I love the physics stuff that you had going on, pushing around the thing, as well as a great addition for the thematic the enemies and stuff. Like I said, the skill cap, or
The
whatever
voting's going
was-
on right
was
now,
class.
but I've probably not, since
I
both
feel like
judges
the
put
more
me
you
last.
play both of those games, the better you get at it, and the more kind of stuff that you get with that. Ionema's one sometimes would soft lock you against a wall, and
I got second for audience vote though.
James then had the comeback thing where you turn into a flame.
We're
and then
deciding
you-
who's second place.
you can get another pumpkin if you're fast enough. So, with that being said, I gave first place to James. Thought it was brilliant.
Fair.
All
But
right.
both were class. It was a very hard decision. There you go.
Lovely. Thank you for the decision.
Sure.
Yeah. James deserves the win.
Val,
James's
do
game
you
is
have the
great.
Same, or you have different rankings?
I have the same ranking. I would put
Okay, so James won.
James in first.
First out of all 3 votes.
Ionema, your game was my favorite to play until we got to the end. The freedom of control of navigating the mazes, the top down, it felt great. Not being able to turn properly hindered my ability to interact with the game in a way that it was meant to be played, and there's only so much that can be done about that in a 12-hour time period, so I get that. I will say that Jern had an unfair advantage the entire time being able to do that, and it's kind of fire trucked up that he got to experience that completely.
Nice.
I really enjoyed going through it. What was the thing you used to step on to get to the next level?
The
Portal?
portals?
Yeah, sorry. For some reason I was thinking it's a manhole cover. Having something even minor to indicate the direction you needed to go to get to it, and that may just be against the entire maze portion of it.
Oh, the overlay is down.
Is something quality of life, but that's outside of a 12-hour scope. I enjoyed the
There you
sound
go.
effects. I enjoyed the whole thing. Thank you very much for making that.
Alright,
James, James, your game was gorgeous. The anticipation for the pigeons, the sound effects. I mentioned it had a very tactical feel to it with every action that I took. So I felt like I was calculating every movement in a game that doesn't feel like that's what you should be doing. It's got that very Vampire Survivors-esque feel.
I was going for that, yeah.
Yeah, but it's such that one change kind of shifts everything about the game into a different way to play. And it's one that I very much enjoyed. I like the tactical aspect of it. I'm gonna harp on this a little bit more. The sound was terrifying.
Yes.
And
Please fix.
yeah, it was with it being so difficult to play in that way, it was kind of closer of a decision between first and second.
Yeah.
With the sound just naturally at a safely lower level, would have clutched first without me really having to think about it. It felt very complete overall. I felt like I was walking into a game that was ready to be distributed to the masses. So very well put together.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
Great. James, if you don't already know, you're the winner of Dev or Die 3 Halloween Special. But thank you everyone for participating. Ayunema, Adagon, Falonier, Irish John Games. I'm just reading down the list of the thing. James Barrow.
Oh, I tied
and
with Tim.
Day. Thank you everyone, judges and contestants, and of course Evan.
Me and Tim
Monroe,
tied
my
for
lovely
third.
co-host.
Oh, hey guys.
And yeah, it's been really fun. So I'll be gifting 5 subs to James for his winning. I'll be sending
Thanks.
him a trophy, which I'll be.
I'm really proud of the game.
James.
I also think it
Regarding
deserves
that.
a higher rank, but
And
I'm not the judges, so I don't determine
been
the
an excellent
ranks.
time. I'd appreciate if everyone raids into the winner, James as well. Everyone should follow.
Oh.
Everyone that's watching should of course
James-
follow everybody
James
though.
Knight?
Justin, you owe
everyone
push-ups,
love
buddy.
to give. Yeah, I'll do push-ups right before I raid. Okay, I just want to outro. 'Cause, yeah.
Thank you all so much for participating in this. It's absolutely awesome to see a group
Yeah.
of people just grinding at the wheel.
We're
to
right
put
out
an
to James and
entire
everyone
game
else at the end
together
of
in
this.
12 hours is a huge ask. So thank
And then
you
when
all
we
so
when we
much.
read out to James, we're gonna
Yeah,
give him
thanks.
a bunch of
It's just a lot of
chickens.
fun.
Yeah, thank you for running this.
Yeah, congrats everyone. And James, good job.
Indeed, well done, everyone.
So we play a brand new game for them?
Fantastic.
Oh, sure.
Thanks, Evan and Evan and Justin for hosting it as well. Deadly. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Fun stuff.
All right. Goodbye, everyone. I'm just gonna do push-ups and then raid into James. Bye.
Sounds good.
All right.
Goodbye, guys.
Thank you very
Bye,
much.
everybody.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.
I
Yeah, this is what the game looks like. Here, I'm gonna have to go out of it though, because Discord is doing things. There we go. In Hearts, there's no lives, but if how the life system works is if you here, let me hide that. If you hit something while you're possessing something. Oh, right, hearts. Here's the hearts. They're there for when you click on the phone. I forgot about that, to be honest. But yeah. I think it deserved a higher score, but it's still really good. I think it's better than the last ever Die game I made. But we're gonna raid out to James B. Barrow. Thanks everyone stopping by, hanging out. Made this fun. Chatting with people as I was deving this. Always makes this fun to do. Let's raid out. /raid. James B. Barrow. Alright. For people who are subbed, you have the sub chicken, which I will send in chat. Here's the sub chicken. For people who are not subbed, you have the non-sub chicken, which I will also send in chat. And we're going to give James a bunch of chickens as soon as we raid over there. Oh, Justin already raided. Oh, that is a B. Okay, yeah. Thanks everyone by. If anybody wants to join the Discord to hang out outside of streams, there's the link to it. There's also a spot to submit your game. Well, there's a channel to submit your games if you have games you want me to play. I usually play games every Friday when I'm not doing anything else. And there's also alerts for when I go live and stuff. I'll probably be streaming again tomorrow, assuming I don't have too much work to do. If I have too much work, I'm going to cancel it, but then next stream after that would be on Wednesday. Alright, see ya.